This laughing gull is chilling out, laughing seagull. He's a breeding adult, or she's a breeding adult. Got the orange legs, the orange, slightly downturned beak, grayish black head, and then this orange-red bill, and then white incomplete eye ring. Kind of like a robin a little bit. Anyways, chilling out. He's gonna cast a pellet, or he's just maybe just choking a little bit, and then he'll pick at it and maybe eat what he can. At the same time, this other gull comes up and is like, "Hey, buddy," chases him off. I don't know which one lands back at the dock, but a yellow-crowned night heron then comes up and is like, "This is my water bowl. This is my dock." The yellow-crowned night herons love this area. They love fresh water, and so he comes, hangs out, gets some water, and then he wakey shakies a little bit later in the video.